Welcome to Buckeye Bloomstead, your ultimate destination for gardening inspiration and tips. In this video, we're excited to share with you 15 ingenious garden hacks to help you create a thriving garden oasis right in your backyard. Whether you're a seasoned gardener looking to level up your skills, or a beginner eager to learn the ropes, these hacks are sure to elevate your gardening game and bring new life to your outdoor space. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive into these 15 garden hacks for thriving gardens with Buckeye Bloomstead. Commence your journey to a thriving garden with prime soil quality. The foundation of every flourishing garden is rich, nutrient-filled soil. And guess what? You can create this prime environment right from your kitchen waste. Let's delve into the world of do-it-yourself composting. Start by collecting kitchen waste, such as fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. These organic materials are brimming with nutrients that feed your garden soil. But don't stop there. Fallen leaves, grass clippings, and garden trimmings are also excellent composting materials. Combine these elements, turning the mix occasionally, and watch as they decompose into a rich, fertile compost that your plants will love. But what if you don't have a compost bin or pile? No worries. Direct composting is another great soil hack. Simply dig a hole in your garden, fill it with kitchen scraps, and cover it with soil. Over time, these scraps will decompose, enriching the soil with nutrients. Now, let's talk about natural soil amendments. Coffee grounds, believe it or not, are a gardener's best friend. They add organic material to the soil, improving drainage, water retention, and aeration, and the bonus, coffee grounds are a source of nitrogen, a nutrient that promotes healthy plant growth. Eggshells are another fantastic soil amendment. Rich in calcium, they help to neutralize soil acidity while providing essential nutrients for plant growth. Simply crush the shells and mix them into your soil. These soil hacks are all about transforming your garden soil into a nutrient-rich paradise, promoting healthy, vigorous plant growth. By incorporating these tips, you're not just improving your soil, you're taking a step towards creating a thriving garden oasis right in your backyard. Remember, your garden is as good as the soil it grows in, so make it count. Enriched soil is the first step towards a thriving garden. Proper hydration is the key to flourishing plants. But how do we ensure our garden gets the water it needs without wasting this precious resource? That's where our ingenious watering hacks come in. Let's start with a DIY project that's not only eco-friendly, but also a great way to recycle. Have you ever thought about using old plastic bottles as a drip irrigation system? It's simple, cost-effective, and an excellent way to ensure your plants get the right amount of water directly to their roots. Just fill the bottle with water, drill a few holes in the cap, invert it near the plant, and voila! You have yourself a homemade drip irrigation system. This hack is especially useful for those who have a busy schedule but still want to maintain a lush garden. The slow drip ensures your plants are hydrated throughout the day without the risk of overwatering. Plus, it's a fantastic way to repurpose those plastic bottles that would otherwise end up in the landfill. Now, on to our next watering hack. Timing is everything. Watering your plants at specific times of the day can significantly conserve water and benefit your plants. The best times to water your garden are early in the morning or late in the evening. During these cooler parts of the day, less water will evaporate, ensuring more water reaches your plant roots. Plus, watering in the morning gives your plants ample time to dry out during the day, reducing the risk of fungal diseases that thrive in damp conditions. But what about those hot, scorching summer days when the sun seems relentless? That's when our next hack comes in handy: mulching. Mulch acts as a protective layer over your soil, keeping it cool and maintaining its moisture. Organic mulches like straw, grass clippings, or wood chips not only conserve water, but also improve your soil's fertility as they decompose. Remember, the goal of these watering hacks is not just to keep your plants hydrated, but also to conserve water. By implementing these strategies, you're not only nurturing a lush, thriving garden, but also doing your part in preserving our environment. So, there you have it. With a homemade drip irrigation system, watering at the right times, and effective mulching, you're well on your way to creating an oasis that stays lush and green, even in the hottest summer. And the best part, you're doing it in a way that's both eco-friendly and resource-efficient. With these watering hacks, your garden will be an oasis, even in the hottest summer. So, go ahead, give these hacks a try and watch your garden thrive. Keep your garden free from unwanted pests with natural solutions. Dealing with pests can be a real headache, but with a few clever hacks, you can keep your garden thriving and pest-free. Let's kick things off with a powerful, natural deterrent that you can whip up in your own kitchen, a garlic and chili spray. This potent concoction is a fantastic way to deter a range of pests, from aphids to beetles. Just blend a couple of hot chilies and a few garlic cloves, add water, let it steep overnight, and voila! You've got yourself a homemade pest deterrent. Remember to spray it around your plants in the early morning or late evening to avoid sunburn on the foliage. Another way to keep pests at bay is by using companion planting techniques. This method involves growing certain plants together that help deter pests. For instance, planting marigolds among your vegetables can deter nematodes and other pests, while basil planted near tomatoes can repel flies and mosquitoes. So consider companion planting not only for its pest control benefits, but also for its ability to enhance your garden's biodiversity. Now let's talk about DIY pest traps. You can create effective traps using simple household items. A popular one is the beer trap for slugs and snails. In addition to slugs, beer traps attract a number of other garden pests, including snails, earwigs, pincher bugs, and cutworms. We often find a variety of insects in our beer traps, but thankfully it does not attract any bees, ladybugs, lacewings, or other good guys that you want in your garden. Just fill a shallow dish with beer and place it at soil level. The smell attracts these pests, they fall in and can't get out. It's simple, yet effective. For flying pests like fruit flies, fill a jar with a sweet solution like sugar water, punch holes in the lid, and watch as the pests fly in and get trapped. And for those pesky aphids, a tape trap works wonders. Wrap a wide strip of tape around your hand, sticky side out, and pat it on the leaves of infested plants. The aphids stick to the tape and can be easily disposed of. The beauty of these pest control hacks is that they protect your plants without resorting to harmful chemicals. This means a safer environment for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife that call your garden home. So there you have it. With a little bit of creativity and knowledge, you can keep pests at bay naturally and effectively. From homemade sprays to companion planting and DIY traps, these methods are not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly. Remember, a healthy garden is a balanced garden. While we don't want pests to destroy our plants, they are part of the ecosystem. So aim for control, not eradication. With these pest control hacks, your plants can grow in a safe and healthy environment. So roll up your sleeves and give these techniques a try. Your garden and all its inhabitants will thank you. Nurture your plants to their full potential with savvy plant care hacks. Today, we're going to delve into the art of pruning, propagating, and rejuvenating your green friends, helping them maintain their health and vibrancy. Let's start with pruning, a vital but often misunderstood part of plant care. Pruning isn't just about snipping away at your plants, it's a strategic process that helps to control the plant's shape and size, encourage flower or fruit production, and get rid of dead or diseased parts. For flowering plants, it's best to prune right after they've bloomed to avoid cutting off next year's flowers. For fruit trees, late winter is the perfect time to prune, allowing you to remove dead wood and shape the tree before new growth starts in the spring. Next on our list is propagating. Have you ever wished you could multiply your favorite plant? Well, with propagation, you can. Start by taking a cutting from a healthy parent plant. For most plants, a stem cutting of about 4 to 6 inches, with at least 2 pairs of leaves, works best. Remove the lower pair of leaves, dip the cut end in rooting hormone, and place it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse and wait for the magic to happen. In a few weeks, your cutting should start growing roots, ready to become a new plant. Now let's talk about rejuvenating tired plants. Even the best cared for plants can sometimes look a little weary. But don't fret, there are a few tricks you can use to perk them up. First, consider repotting. Plants can outgrow their pots, and when they do, their roots need more room to spread out. Choose a new pot that's 1 or 2 sizes larger, and make sure it has good drainage. Fill it with fresh potting soil and carefully transfer your plant, being sure not to damage its roots. Another rejuvenation trick is fertilizing. Plants use up the nutrients in their soil, and sometimes they need a little extra boost. Use an all-purpose plant fertilizer, following the package instructions for how much and how often to apply it. Remember, more is not always better when it comes to fertilizer. Too much can harm your plants, so it's best to err on the side of caution. These plant care hacks not only help you maintain healthy, vibrant plants, but also deepen your connection with your garden. They allow you to understand your plants better, anticipate their needs, and respond effectively. With these plant care hacks, your garden will be a flourishing paradise. Maintain a stunning garden with minimal effort using time-saving hacks. Let's delve into some ingenious techniques that'll help you work smarter, not harder. First, let's talk about clever garden tools. One such tool is the multi-purpose shears, a lifesaver for any gardener. These shears are not just for pruning, they can cut, dig, and even transplant smaller plants. With a single tool you can perform multiple tasks, reducing the need to carry around a whole toolkit. It's a true time saver and a must-have for every gardener. Now, let's shift our focus to garden layouts. An efficient layout can significantly reduce maintenance time. Consider planting in raised beds or containers. Not only do they add a unique aesthetic, but they also make it easier to reach your plants, reducing the strain on your back. Moreover, grouping plants with similar care requirements together can streamline your watering and fertilizing routine. Next, weeding. Yes, it's a chore, but did you know that mulching can save you a lot of time here? Mulch not only retains moisture in the soil, but it also suppresses weed growth. By putting down a layer of mulch, you can save yourself from the tiresome task of constant weeding. Lastly, don't forget about mulching. Mulching isn't just for weed control. It also reduces the need for frequent watering and enriches the soil as it breaks down. Choose organic mulch like bark or compost and see how it transforms your garden while saving you time. With these time-saving hacks, you can enjoy a beautiful garden without spending all your time on maintenance. Remember, gardening is not about rushing through tasks. It's about enjoying the process, the tranquility, and the fruits of your labor. So take a deep breath, put these hacks into practice, and watch your garden thrive with minimal effort. Gardening is a passion and a joy, made even more rewarding with these handy hacks. We've journeyed through a garden of knowledge today, unearthing the secrets of soil improvement, innovative watering techniques, natural pest control methods, plant care tips, and time-saving strategies. Each of these 15 hacks is a seed of wisdom, ready to sprout into a lush landscape of garden success. Remember, your soil is the foundation of your garden. With DIY composting and natural soil amendments, you can create a nutrient-rich paradise for your plants. And when it comes to watering, innovative strategies like DIY drip irrigation systems can keep your garden lush and green, even in the sweltering heat of summer. Pests may be a gardener's nemesis, but with our natural remedies, companion planting techniques, and DIY pest traps, you can protect your plants without resorting to harmful chemicals. And when it comes to plant care, remember the secrets we've shared about pruning, propagating, and rejuvenating tired plants? Even if you're short on time, gardening success is still within your reach. With clever tools and efficient garden layouts, you can maintain a beautiful garden oasis with minimal effort. We encourage you to try these hacks in your own garden. Experiment, innovate, and watch as your garden thrives like never before. Share your results with us and with fellow garden enthusiasts. Together, we're cultivating a community of green thumbs eager to learn and grow. If you've enjoyed this video and found our hacks useful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, family, and fellow garden lovers. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're always sowing seeds of knowledge here at Buckeye Bloomstead. Thank you for joining us at Buckeye Bloomstead. Happy gardening,